Alright, y'all, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Friday, June 12th, and as you'll see by the title, yes, I caught another dub today. My fourth winning day, one more day for a payout. However, today was not really a good winning day in my opinion, and I'll go ahead and get into it with y'all. Um, but yeah, I really could have made way more than I should have. I'm only made 1,500. I'm saying only like that's a little bit. It was like 300 per account, but I could have made upwards towards 6K today. But I low key fumbled and I sold. And I'll get into that. I mean, I'm still excited. I got the winning day, made $300 to get the winning day times five, so around $1,500. Got that. Need one more winning day, but it just sucks. I feel like I'm leaving money on the table. As y'all been watching my videos, y'all seen on Tuesday, or no, Tuesday or Wednesday? Wednesday, when I made $600, when I could have made my biggest trade ever when I got edged. I could have made $1,700 across five accounts. That's five bands across five accounts. Today, could have made upwards to 1,000. Only made 300, 700 times 530. I'm left close to 10K on. Like if we're doing across all five accounts, I've left probably like close to 10K on the table, which is it hurts, it stings, but I gotta always look at the positive side. I'm still one winning day away from a payout. My payout's gonna be minimum 5K, right? I still gotta look at the bright side, but it just sucks knowing that I could have had like a double the amount. But I don't want to think about it like that. I haven't even secured this payout yet, so I don't want to think about it like that. But yeah, today I'll show you where I messed up, and it looks right here on my screen. It looks like right that I ended up hitting full TP, right, but I didn't. So let's go ahead and get into it. So today, and if my executions are like all the way over here, it's because this is like towards the end of the day. It's currently 5 o'clock right now. I was debating on not even making a trade recap today because I felt like the way I traded it, even though it was a win, the way I traded it was just bad. It should have really been it was just bad. So I didn't really think about it. But after thinking about it, like went to the gym, did my things what I had to do. I'm transparent with y'all, right? I want to be transparent with everything. So win or loss, I want to post it. So even though this I happen to win today, it was a bad win in my opinion. I still want to post it, right? Because I want to be transparent with y'all. So that's what I'm gonna do. So sorry guys, I got the hiccups. But coming into today, I was only leaning towards bearish, and because why? We had no draws higher. One, two. Y'all been watching my previous videos. I know I state this every video. I've been using the previous day indicator, right? And we're above equilibrium. And like I said, if I want to go short, we got to be above it. If I want to go long, we got to be below it, right? We happen to be above it, and we also did have draws lower. So when we go down the 15-minute, as y'all see, we had PM lows, we had equilibrium of the range. We also had London low right here, right? So we had draws lower, and that was my draw for today. Was London low, this low right here. So I'm going to go back to bar replay so I can show you what happens. So go back to 9:30 right here. Boom. So 9:30, as you see at open, we're just pushing up right into these 15-minute gaps. So I'm like, cool, this is perfect for me. If we go up, manipulate up into these gaps, we can get some type of short entry down to London low, right? That was the idea for today. So now it's going to go down to the 1 minute. Okay, it's going to skip to where I entered my trade. Okay, so it's going to skip. Nothing really going on here. We ended up pushing down. I thought we were going to go straight for London, but we didn't, right? Come back up, made this 1 minute gap, tap this gap, and then right here is where we get the entry. Skip, right? Skip. We're still pushing up a little bit, and then boom, we just slice down one candle, two candles. So boom, this is where I get in, right? I get in right here. I'm like, cool. TP, swing low, or TP at London low, break even, swing low. Y'all know the drill. Same trade every time, right? Boom, stop loss above this gap. I actually got a really good feel too. At the end of getting like a 65, I think 65. Yeah, like up here when we tap back into the gap. Got a 65. So this is my risk reward was about a 2 to 2.8, a 1 to 2, 2.8. That was my risk reward. Very good risk. So now let me go and show where I messed up at. So, right, we skip, boom, and as you'll see, right, this looks like we're going straight to TP, right? That's what it looks like. We're going straight to TP. That's what I at least had thought. Break even, I'm like, damn, this is clean. Straight to TP. This is what happened, guys. So if y'all follow my TikTok, y'all know that sometimes I try to pull out my phone, right, on TradeAway and show live execution where I hit TP. If y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all will know that that's usually what I try to do. However, today I was like, okay, this candle dumped. We're going to TP. I'm like, what do? Go to TradeAway, right? And I had said while I was in this trade, I said, I'm watching ES as well. If we take out London, create SMT, I'm getting out. And guys, by this time, I was already on TradeAway, so I wasn't even looking, on my trading view at ES, right? Next candle, I'm trying to remind you, I'm trying to record, right? I'm trying to record execution for my TikTok people. ES sweeps London low. And mind you, I'm literally on TradeAway, so I'm not seeing ES at all. I don't know if it's swept or not. I'm on TradeAway trying to record. And at this time, We're pushing back up. I'm like, bro, there's no way we don't hit TP, right? There's no way. We're pushing back up. I'm like, fuck. And whenever that happens, I end up coming back to TradingView, and I notice SMT, and I get out, or I think around like 314, 315 area, and I only got $300. So if y'all see here, these are my accounts. Only made, oh well, it updated, but it was 300 today. I made 300. It updated already. I'm at the buffer, but anyways, we push out. I'm like, fuck. So I ended up getting out. I'm like, damn, I know it's SMT, and I didn't want to get breaking. I still want to secure the winning day. So I got out immediately. I just got out, made $300 for the day. And low key, if I would have let this ride, I would have never even hit break even either. As y'all see, push up still, and we go straight for London low. That, like, if I would have held it through, I would have had full TP. So that's 2 fuck ups I made today. But I'm not really thinking about it's a fuck up simply because, like, the second one where I could have restayed in, because it's against my rules. If we have SMT, I'm gonna get out for profit, right? That's my rules. So it's not really a second fuck up. But the first one where I was trying to record, on Tradeovate, my live execution, and I'm getting fucked, and balls. I'm getting fucked, and I get out manually for profit, and then we ended up running all the way. So from now on, I am no longer on Tradeovate recording executions for my TikTok people. I'm sorry. Like, this was a costly mistake for me. This was on my fault. If y'all seen Tuesday or Wednesday's trade when I got trailed in profit, I had nothing to do with that. That was the markets being dumb, whatever. This time I could have avoided it. If I would have been on TradingView, because usually when I take a trade on Tradeovate, I stay on TradingView and watch it from there. So if any SMT, anything, then I'll go back and change. Like, if I need to get out or whatever real quick, then I'll go back. But usually most of the time I'm on TradingView when I enter a trade, so I can look at the markets, both of them. This time I was trying to record for my TikTok people. Got off of TradingView, went to Tradeovate, and we created SMT. Went up, got spooked out, got out for a $300 win where I could have won at least a band minimum, right? So today was my fuck up. So from now on, no longer recording executions for y'all. As soon as I enter, that's it, right? Yeah, it just sucks, leaving money on the tail like that. But I still got the winning day, so it's still typically, a W day, green day. But could have been a lot more than that. You feel me? So, but that's all I got for this video. That's a trade recap for today. I wasn't gonna post it like I said, but I want to be transparent with y'all. Wins, losses, mistakes on my end like this, I want to post it for y'all so I can know the real, raw reality of day trading. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Everybody that just posting straight wins, you see they're posting all their wins in a row, they're lying to y'all. People take losses all the time. Nobody ever has a 100% win rate, ever. If you can show me someone has a 100% win rate over a span of a year, 6 months, a year, bro, I'll catch up whoever this 5 bands. I promise you. No one has that. So whoever's like posting just straight wins, it's cap. Straight cap. But yeah, like I said, I just want to post this for y'all to be more transparent, Be transparent about my mistakes, wins, losses, whatever it is. I want to show you the real, raw reality of full-time day trading. So that's why I ended up making this video. And yeah, next Monday I will not be trading. Next Monday is FOMC, or next week is FOMC week. So if y'all know, I don't trade Mondays. No news Mondays on FOMC week, and I don't trade Wednesdays. So next week I will be taking 2 days off, Monday and Wednesday. But Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday I will be trading. So hopefully my next trade will be a win. Y'all see I'm getting that payout. Hopefully. It depends how PA looks next week. But yeah, so I won't be here Monday. Maybe Tuesday if I take a trade, and then we'll see from there the rest of the week. But that's all I got for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you can follow me on TikTok at Tone Trades. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.